Hey y'all, so today I'm making a pizza-based casserole that's going to be so easy to make. I've got 1 stick of butter in here, and I'm going to have a little bit of garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. This is such an easy casserole to make, guys. You can have this ready in just minutes. So once all that's put together, just go ahead and give that a quick stir. And then you're going to pour this all over the biscuit pieces. Toss to combine. Especially you want to make sure that you get it underneath the biscuits too, because you don't want it to stick to the casserole dish. And make sure that every single piece is coated. And once that's coated, just go ahead and make sure that it's in one layer. And then we're going to be adding some meat sauce. It's going to go all over the top. Just a whole jar. Then kind of spread that around on the top like that. Oh, this is gonna be so good, guys. Then I'm taking a can of pineapple, the tidbits, the chunks, not the crushed ones. And that's gonna go right on top as well. And then we're also taking a whole thing of diced ham. Now, if you can't find diced ham, you can just use regular ham and just dice it up yourself. Then you're going to combine all of this together. Oh, I love Hawaiian pizza. This is going to taste just like it. And took so much less effort. Okay, so once that's on there like that, I'm going to add just a little bit more Italian seasoning. And then to that, we're adding about a cup and a half of shredded Italian cheese. It's going to go right on top like that. And the Italian blend cheese is so great because it's mozzarella, but it's also got provolone and Romano cheese. Such a good blend. So that goes on top like that. Another little dusting of the Italian seasoning on top of the cheese. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes just to make sure that all the biscuits are cooked through and the cheese is super melty. Oh, this looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, so it ended up being about 35 minutes. I don't know where to pick. I'm going to pick this corner over here. About 35 minutes at 350 degrees in my oven. Oh, so steamy. But see how like the biscuits get cooked through. Oh, this is gonna be so good. See, look at that. That looks amazing. Okay. Oh, it is still, I don't know if you can see, it's still super steamy. But you get a little bit of that biscuit dough with the ham and the cheese and the pineapple. The pineapple is going to be really, really hot though. So I'm so worried I'm going to burn my mouth. Y'all, this is so good. Like the best parts of a Hawaiian pizza, it's not super doughy. Those biscuits do the trick. Definitely make this at your kitchen soon.